Craig KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip.
The Craig Quick Flip makes it possible to use Craig screws to create strong, simple joints by allowing you to drill a pilot hole and a counterbore in one step, and then drive in the Craig screw, all using one dual-action bit. Craig screws are terrific for pocket hole joints, but their strength and holding power make them great for other applications too. Now, the Craig Quick Flip makes these screws even easier to use for face joining corners and many other applications. The Quick Flip chucks into any drill, and it's even rated for use in an impact driver, and features a double-ended insert in a quick-release housing. On one end, there's a drill bit that's sized to drill a perfect pilot hole for a Craig screw, plus a cutter that drills a flat bottom recess, called a counterbore, that the screw head fits into. A hex wrench built into the Quick Flip makes it easy to adjust the bit's drilling depth to perfectly match the length of the screw. This makes it easy to drill the pilot hole and counterbore in one step. Then, just flip the insert around to expose a number 2 square drive bit, and then drive the screw home. The square drive prevents bit slipping, and the case-hardened screw drives in easily, but grips tight for tremendous holding power. Just like that, you've easily created a strong joint with a recessed screw head. You can make the counterbore just deep enough to recess the screw, or you can make the counterbore deeper and then plug the hole using a pre-made plug or by cutting a 3/8 inch dowel. With
Craig Track Horse Tool.
Make any place your workspace with the Craig Track Horse. This sturdy, versatile, and portable work support makes it easy to set up a workspace anywhere and then store it compactly away when not in use. The steel and aluminum track horse is packed with features that take it beyond the capabilities of an ordinary sawhorse to provide solid support for a variety of DIY and woodworking tasks. Those features start with sturdy, adjustable legs. They fold out and lock in place securely and can be set at 6 working heights to match your needs and your tasks. The legs also fold completely away, which allows you to set up a handy ground-level work platform. With the legs folded, the track horse is also easy to transport to wherever you want to work. Built-in dual-mode clamping adds even more versatility. With the included Craig bench clamp, you can hold items in place in the long track, or place the clamp in either end of the track horse for secure vise-style clamping. And thanks to Craig's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology, you never have to readjust the clamp when you move from one material thickness to another. In addition to holding the clamp, the track can also be used to mount a sacrificial cutting surface on top of the track horse. Simply attach the included bushings to a 2x4 and then slide it into the track. Now you can cut without worrying about damaging the track horse or your saw. When you want more room to work, you'll appreciate how easy it is to create an expanded workspace. Pair 2 track horses together using the included support brackets and ordinary 2x4s, and you can create a large cutting platform that will support long boards and heavy plywood sheets easily, so you can cut safely and more accurately. Or reposition the brackets and 2x4s, and you can span between 2 track horses with 3/4 inch plywood to create an extra large work table with built-in clamping. That means you can create a big workbench, and a sturdy one that can hold up to 2,200 pounds. The track horse also pairs with the Craig Mobile Project Center in the same ways to give you even more options for creating a sturdy and versatile project workspace that's packed with features.
Craig Drilling Guide.
the Craig Drilling Guide makes it easy to drill perfectly straight holes without using a drill press. With the Drilling Guide, you can drill straight, perfectly positioned holes using just a hand drill. This is possible because the Craig Drilling Guide has hardened steel drill guides for the 6 most commonly used drill bit sizes, from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch. The guides do the work of holding your drill in position for you, so you know the bit will be exactly perpendicular to the face or the edge of the material you're drilling into. But the Drilling Guide does more by making it easy to drill the holes where you want them to. Just align the molded-in hole centering marks with your layout lines, and you know they'll be positioned accurately. And strips of Craig GripMax material, along with the ergonomic shape, help ensure that the Drilling Guide will stay in place as you use it too, so your drill bit won't wander off your mark as you start the hole. There's also open space under the guides that provide the wood chips some place to go, which makes drilling faster and easier. That space under the guides has another purpose too. It allows the drilling guide to automatically center on the edge of 3/4 inch wide and 1/2 inch wide boards and plywood, so you can drill holes that are perpendicular to the edge and perfectly centered. The drilling guide is simple but incredibly useful, so you can use it for all kinds of drilling tasks, whether you need a hole for driving a screw, for mounting hardware, for help creating a dowel joint, and much more. And you'll know that the hole will be straight and perpendicular to the surface every time.
This is the Bosch CM8S 8-inch single bevel sliding compound miter saw. This tool delivers the same cutting capacity as a 10-inch saw in a compact and portable package. You can even carry it with one hand. With an integrated carry handle placed at the center of gravity, the CM8S, weighing in at just 37 pounds, is easily transported on and off the job. This really is the ultimate in portability, which makes it perfect for remodelers, flooring contractors, installers, and woodworkers. And you don't have to sacrifice on capacity, since the CM8S has a crosscut capacity of 12¼ inches and a vertical capacity of 2 3/4 inches. As with other Bosch miter saws, this one features easy access bevel controls. No more reaching to the back of the saw to adjust settings. Expandable base extensions can reach as far as 29 inches left to right for additional workpiece support. An adjustable front stabilizing foot helps maintain saw stability when performing side cuts. A powerful 12-amp motor delivers up to 5,600 RPM for optimal performance. So this is it, the Bosch CM8S 8-inch single bevel sliding compound miter saw.
When you really want to get in there and sand those corners and grooves, the powerful and versatile Works 20V Detail Sander has everything you need to put the final touches on a beautiful project. If it's a big or complex piece you're working on, you'll appreciate not having a cord to limit your range of motion. And at less than 2 pounds, you'll glide over large surfaces. No matter how many tiny crevices you need to smooth down, the attachable finger sander will take care of it. The dust collection canister will make sure you can see exactly how much progress you're making and prevent you from doubling back on already sanded areas. It'll keep your work area cleaner, too. The efficient motor design uses less battery, despite driving the tool at 1,300 oscillations per minute. The Power Sander for Wood is a revolutionary attachment tool for sanding deep profiles, contours, and detailed woodwork. The orbital finishing sander will mold to the shape of your wood project for effective sanding of shaped and sculpted forms, and is giving you more control over the finish of your project. The superimposed vibration and rotational movements lead to an excellent stock removal rate and surface quality. The detail sander grinds surfaces that are difficult to process with conventional methods without any problems. In addition, the small sander is suitable for both light or aggressive sanding. Simply change the disc to a higher or lower grit. Whether you prefer adhesive discs or flange-attached heavy-duty discs, Arbortech offers a variety of sanding discs. It's up to you. The rotary sanding tool action combined with the patented flexible backing pad creates a perfect finish without scars, scratches, or blemishes. The grinding tool is ideal for hobby and professional use as a tool for do-it-yourselfers and sculptors, as well as a carpenter and joiner's tool.
I think the new M18 belt sander is way more powerful than a corded belt sander. Way easier to use, lightweight.
It didn't bog down, it didn't, heat up at all, it just kept going right through it.
The power's there. It rips pretty good, so definitely replace the corded.
It's more powerful, more versatile, lightweight, one-hand or two-hand operation. I can do anything with it. I'm so impressed how fast it takes the material down.
That's ripping through the material. It's nice because you can get the job done quicker.
With the new Milwaukee belt sander, we're sanding doors, mantles. It's maple, oak, pine, particle board material. It sands it all and it sands it down very quickly and clean.
I think with the new M18 belt sander, it makes every job go faster. It's lightweight, it's balanced very well, and you're not looking for a cord.
The dust collection was really outstanding, whether it was with the bag, especially when you added the vacuum, there was literally no dust. It exceeded my expectations. This will be in an arsenal of tools. It fits good with the pack out, which I have that system, which is nice that the handle collapses and we can fit it right in there.
I love the new M18 belt sander. It's lightweight, powerful, exceeds all expectations.
Milwaukee M18 belt sander is worth the wait for sure. When everybody gets their hands on it, they're gonna love it.
Barrel Grip Jigsaw leverages the PowerState brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence to provide higher blade speed than corded jigsaws at 3,500 strokes per minute for clean, controlled cuts with minimized chipping or bucking. Leveraging the M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery, the M18 Fuel D-handle jigsaw provides up to 105 linear feet of cutting in 3/4 inch laminated particle board, delivering all-day productivity with less trips to the charger. The saw features toolless blade change, tool-free bevel adjust with the tints at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees, as well as an LED light and on-off blower to keep the cut line visible while cutting.
This 12-inch thickness planer repurposes old, weathered, rough, and worn wood to give it an extraordinarily smooth finish. The powerful 1800-watt motor can efficiently plan at a 236-inch per minute feed rate. They are combined with a heavy-duty stand to prevent the planer from walking or wobbling during operation. It also features a dust exhaust interface for connecting to the dust collector, creating a clean working environment. It is an ideal tool for bringing your worn boards back to life.